We're going to see about how to import a data set from Excel or SPSS or Stat into your RStudio. So first initially we will see how to import from Excel data file. So here I have some data file y, x2, x3 and some of the variables. So what you need to do is I have a data from my original data was like this, so I have just copied what are the data you are needed. So I've copied and pasted in a new sheet. You can see here y, x2, x3 are the variable names and those are the data sets. So what you need to do is just you need to save this file in some other text format like comma delimited. So you choose wherever the file you needed to save, and in this you can see save as type. In this you just save as comma delimited or a text tab delimited. Just change it and save. So it will be asking like this, the selected file, there are different sheets, so it will be asking to save the particular active sheet. So what is the data set, where is the data set, you have to be clear and you have to save that particular data sheet as comma delimited. Just click OK. So now the data set has been saved. So it has been saved. Okay, now what you need to do is just go to RStudio. Your RStudio, as I initially said in the previous video, you can see in the environment there is an import data set. So by there is a drop down box in the import dataset. You can import from different softwares. So you just click from data from text base. So in this you need to choose your file where you have been chosen or where you have selected. So you can see here the comma delimited file and just open it. So you can see there are two types, input file and data frame, and you can see we have already assigned the variable names, so it is again all assigning a new variable name. So you don't need that variable names as v1, v2, v3, etc. So you can just you can see here heading is given as no, but you have to give us yes. You can see here what is the variable name we have given will be assigned, and you just click import. So your data set containing 23 observations of 6 variables has been imported, and you can see those data set files in the workspace. Here you can see completely. So this is the short intro. Meanwhile, similar case you can also import from Excel directly as .xls file. But it is if you have different types of sheets or different number of sheets, it is very difficult for you to import. So it is better to save as comma delimited and import it. If another method too is there. Method 2 in the sense, if you have if you need only a particular data file from your population data, so you can just copy down and you need to paste in a so you just copy the data which was needed by you, and you just paste in your notepad. So I have just pasted in notepad, and you just save as text data. So what I have done is I need only particular data sets from my original data. So I have just copied those data which was needed by me, and I've just pasted in the notepad. So after notepad, you just need to save it, and from this you can import dataset same from text base and desktop data open. So again you can see it has given a variable assigned. So you need to give us a heading yes and just give import. So again you can see only this first we had 23 observations of 6 variables. Now we have only 15 variables. So you can do although also in this type of